Hi, this is Mark Montross from Catamount Realty Group. Today we're here at 237 Eastview Circle in Williston. We're here to view this fantastic single-level condo in Williston. Let's go ahead and take a look around before we go to the inside. As you can see, we've got a great neighborhood, nicely landscaped. Definitely a pride of ownership here. Across the street, as you can notice, you've got some additional guest parking, which is always a nice feature. Close by too, you can go to Taft Corners, or you can go up to Williston. Got some nice features there. Let's go ahead and take a look around to the back side of the home. Here we are on the back side of the property. As you can see, you've got some really nice green space back here. I love it too because you've got some good tree coverage. Off in the back distance there, you can see that there's some additional parking. So if you have like a boat or an RV, there's an extra fee for that, but it's still great to have as an option. You see too that everyone has kind of their own private deck on the back. And of course, nice feature here is that you got the walkout in the basement, so great feature. Now that we've seen some of the outside, let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Okay, so here we have the inside of the house. When you first come in, you're going to have a coat closet that's off to your left. And as you can see here, you've got a tile entry. To your left is going to be the kitchen. A couple of great features here is that you've got one of those sun tubes. Provides you a lot of natural lighting in here. I love the amount of counter space and cabinet space that this property has to offer. Great feature too is that you've got this pass-through, which is great for being able to stay in communication with your guests. Let's go ahead and we'll scroll around a little further. You can see all the space here. Also too, you're going to notice that you got doors for your small pantry. And when you come through here, you're going to notice that you've got an attached one-car garage, which is very convenient. Now, when we come off across the hallway here, you're going to see your first bedroom. One of the nice features here that I love is that you've got an amazing amount of natural lighting in here. When we scroll around, you can see that you've got really a wall full of closets, which is great for storage space. To your left is going to be the first bathroom. As you can see, it's a full bathroom, and you've got a window off to the side. Again, love the abundance of natural lighting this house has to offer. When we go further, so you're going to see that you've got your dining room area, and then it leads into the living room. So I love this open concept. You're going to notice too that you've got a large array of windows here with the balcony off the back. You got a nice view of Camel's Hump in the background. That's looking really cool in the wintertime when you got the snow on it. You got a wood burning fireplace. And then another nice feature is that you got this vaulted ceiling. Adds a lot of depth to this home. Makes it feel really big. We'll continue further. On your left is going to be the second bedroom. Once again, this is a really big bedroom. I love all the natural lighting. And again, check out all this closet space. And then you have another one here, which is great for your linens. Come further down, you can see we have the second bathroom. So you got a large vanity, linen closet, and the shower. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the basement. Okay, so here we have the basement. As you can see that you've got the door, so technically this is a walkout basement. Nice thing about this is that it gives you a lot of opportunity to finish off this basement, make it into additional living space or other things. As you can see, you've got a huge amount of space down here. Really, the sky's the limit here as far as what you can do with this space. As you can see too that you've got the windows, so again, if you want to make two separate spaces on this one, you certainly could. Let's go back upstairs and we will conclude our tour. And this is 237 Eastview Circle in Williston. We invite you to come down and take a look. If you have any questions, give us a call. Our number here is 802-658-3210. Or you can visit our website at catamountrealtygroup.com. Look forward to hearing from you.